Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered what it's like to float among them? This is the story of Sunita Williams, a girl who reached for the stars and found her destiny there. Once, there was a curious girl named Sunita. She loved swimming and dreamed of becoming a veterinarian. The idea of flying in space wasn't her first dream. She was just a regular kid who loved to run, swim, and explore the world around her. She learned that it's okay to not have everything figured out. Her journey shows us that with curiosity and hard work, you can achieve anything. Sunita's path was not a straight line to the stars. She first joined the U.S. Naval Academy and became a helicopter pilot, flying on rescue missions. It was there, among the clouds, that a new dream began to take shape. She decided she wanted to fly higher, beyond the sky and into space. Becoming an astronaut wasn't easy. It took years of training, patience, and a lot of courage. Sunita faced every challenge with a smile and a never-give-up attitude. Finally, her dream came true. She launched into space, living on the International Space Station. Floating hundreds of miles above Earth, Sunita conducted important experiments and even ran a marathon in space. She holds the record for the most spacewalks by a woman, spending hours outside the space station, with the Earth shining like a giant blue marble below. Her journey of over 322 days in space teaches us that our biggest dreams are worth the hard work. Sunita Williams' story isn't just about space. It's about a journey of passion, perseverance, and pushing boundaries. Even on her most recent mission, things didn't go as planned. A short trip turned into a much longer stay in space due to technical problems with the spacecraft. But even when faced with the unexpected, Sunita's spirit never wavered. She and her crewmate adapted, continued their work, and showed the world what it truly means to be resilient. She reminds us that it doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you dream big, work hard, and never stop exploring. So, what's your big dream? Thanks for watching. Little stories, big values. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more moral videos. And also let us know your favorite inspirational person you follow.